Day 18 of the Dear Daughter devotion. Today's devotion title is Guarding the Sabbath Gates. I feel like this is going to be a good one. If you want to read more Bible verses that go with this devotion, you can read Nehemiah chapter 13, verses 15 to 19. I wanted to start adding a little something extra to the videos, and so at the end of the video, I'm going to add a song, and some of them will be Christian, some of them will just be clean songs that I really like, and, not explicit, no swearing. So if you have any suggestions, then put them in the comments, and you can request a song to be said at the end of the video. So we'll start with the Bible verse and then go into the devotion. I command that the gates should be shut. Nehemiah 13:19. How disappointed Nehemiah must have been with the people of Jerusalem. Instead of continuously closing the city gates on the Sabbath, they left them open and allowed all sorts of peddlers to go in and out with their burdens. Nehemiah set about to correct this. No longer would those gates be left open on the Sabbath. Since we today no longer keep the ceremonial Sabbath, do you wonder what this story has to do with us? Well, you see, dear maiden, the Christian's heart has entered upon a perpetual Sabbath rest. Every day, every minute, we are privileged to do as the psalmist says in Psalm 37:7. Rest in the Lord, fret not thyself. The problem is, we are too much like the people of Nehemiah's day. We forgot to guard the gates of our hearts, thus allowing too many burdens and cares to disturb our rest. But the Bible offers a guard that we can have at our heart's door. We find this guard in Philippians chapter 4, verse 7, which passeth all understanding, shall keep your hearts and minds through Christ Jesus. As for the burdens, what shall we do with them if they threaten the Sabbath peace of our hearts? Cast thy burden upon the Lord, and he shall sustain thee. Psalm 55:22. Let us labor, therefore, to enter into the rest. Hebrews chapter 4, verse 11. The song for today is Two Wooden Beams by Josiah Queen, and that's day 18 of the Dear Daughter devotion. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.